Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on this 2018 Toyota CHR. As you can see, this is maintenance required. We're not going to visit the dealer though, we're going to take care of it ourselves. And the way you do that is you turn the key to the on position. You come over here to trip A, which is located right here. Press this here until you see trip A come up on the dashboard. So we're going to just press and release this button right here. We're going to press it and release it. And you see it comes up to trip A, right down to the bottom, right down there, trip A. Now we're going to shut the key off. We're going to take the key out of the ignition. We're going to put the key back in the ignition. We're going to come over here and we're going to hold this button down, and then we're going to turn the key to the on position. So let me do that real quick, and we'll reset it. Okay, we'll hold it down, and you can see it count down, and that's it. It's reset to 100%. Now we'll shut the car off, of course. We're going to start it up. We'll open and close the door. And we'll start it up. And that's it. You can see it's reset to 100%. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.